హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, సుగుణాలు ఛానల్కి స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. నేను మీ స్వీటీని. ఈరోజు జీకే క్విజ్కి స్వాగతం. మీకు మొత్తం 30 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. ప్రతి ప్రశ్నకు మీరు 30 సెకండ్స్లో జవాబు చెప్పాలి. ఎన్ని సరైన సమాధానాలు చెబుతారో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్, హూ ఇన్వెంటెడ్ పెన్సిలిన్, ఫస్ట్ యాంటీబయోటిక్? యువర్ టైమ్ స్టార్ట్స్ నౌ. The answer is Alexander Fleming. Move to the next question. Who invented plastic bakelite? Your time starts now. The answer is Leo Baekeland. Move to the next question. Who invented dynamite? Your time starts now. The answer is Alfred Nobel. Move to the next question. Who invented the printing press? Your time starts now. The answer is Johannes Gutenberg. Move to the next question. Who invented the microscope? Your time starts now. The answer is Zacharias Johnson. Move to the next question. Who invented television? Your time starts now. The answer is John Logie Baird. Move to the next question. Who invented the refrigerator? Your time starts now. The answer is William Cullen. Move to the next question. Who invented dynamo? Electric generator. Your time starts now. The answer is Michael Faraday. Move to the next question. Who invented blood circulation theory? Your time starts now. The answer is William Harvey. Move to the next question. Who invented vaccination? Smallpox. Your time starts now. The answer is Edward Jenner. Move to the next question. Who invented X-rays? Your time starts now. The answer is Wilhelm Röntgen. Move to the next question. Who invented the periodic table? Your time starts now. The answer is Dmitry Mendeleev. Move to the next question. Who invented hydrogen gas? Your time starts now. The answer is Henry Cavendish. Move to the next question. Who discovered radium? Your time starts now. The answer is Marie Curie. Move to the next question. Who invented the sewing machine? Your time starts now. The answer is Alice Howe. Move to the next question. Who invented stainless steel? Your time starts now. The answer is Harry Brearley. Move to the next question. Who invented the calculator? Your time starts now. The answer is Blaise Pascal. Move to the next question. Who invented safety lamp for miners? Your time starts now. The answer is Humphrey Davy. Move to the next question. Who invented safety razor? Your time starts now. The answer is Kingsley Gillette. Move to the next question. Who invented the airplane autopilot? Your time starts now. The answer is Lawrence Sperry. Move to the next question. Who invented the rocket? Your time starts now. The answer is Robert Goddard. Move to the next question. Who invented the helicopter? Your time starts now. The answer is Igor Sikorsky. Move to the next question. Who invented the automobile modern car? Your time starts now. The answer is Carl Benz. Move to the next question. Who invented the electric battery? Your time starts now. The answer is Alessandro Volta. Move to the next question. Who invented pen? Your time starts now. The answer is Petrarch Pinaru. Move to the next question. Who invented matchstick? Your time starts now. The answer is John Walker. Move to the next question. Who invented oxygen gas discovery? Your time starts now. The answer is Joseph Priestley. Move to the next question. Who invented the telephone exchange? Your time starts now. The answer is Devadar Puskas. Move to the next question. Who invented laser? Your time starts now. The answer is Theodore Mammon. Move to the next question. Who invented the barometer? Your time starts now. The answer is Torricelli. Thank you friends. Bye bye.